Today, guys, we're going to talk about how to manage your trades. Once you're in the trade, there are several things that we want to pay attention to maximize our opportunities. So we're currently trading CAD yen. So if you look here, currently trading CAD yen. Couple of things to keep in mind. Here's the chart. So here was our buy signal. This was on 10/7. So we've been in this trade for 2 days now. Couple of things that I really like about this trade is that if you look here, we've got support and resistance lines and they're all yellow. And what that means is that the trend is still intact, right? We get concerned when we get support and resistance lines that are coming in that are purple, right? Usually what that means is that the trend is slowing and we've got selling coming in. So when you analyze your trades, when you're looking at no, we're not talking about trade setups. We're talking about once you're in the trade, how to analyze and maximize, manage the trade. Okay. So if you look here, we're currently trending. So CAD yen has a trending indicator of 40. So if you remember, anything over 20, like here, anything over 20 is trending. So CAD yen is right up here. So it's the number 3 top, it's part of the top 3 pairs here that are trending. Okay, so it's currently at 40.23, and this could move higher. I've seen it as high as 65.70. Okay, so it's in a nice trend currently. For the day, which opened at 5 p.m., it's currently up 15%, but we already, for the previous day, it was up higher. But what's important and what you guys want to keep in mind is that once you're in the trade, don't worry about your P&L. So don't worry about your P&L. Worry about what the trade is doing, and then focus on your chart here. So what we want to see is the buy signal here. Yellow resistance lines, that's great, and we want to keep adding. So every time price breaks, the pair breaks a resistance line, a yellow line, we want to add to our position. So currently we've got 3 positions going here. Okay, all the candles are green and they're above the moving average. So this is a great trade. Okay, right now everything looks bullish. If we get a purple resistance line here, okay, what we'll do is close our earlier positions. So we're in 3 positions. We'll close 2 of the positions and leave the 3rd position to go. And what I like to do, teach traders, is that even with your 3rd positions, let's say you've got 5 or 6 or 10 lots, you can reduce some of those lot sizes, okay? Because listen, when we get a purple resistance line, if you look here, price tends to slow down, okay? And not immediately, but almost immediately, we start to, we'll see our sell signal come in. So we don't want to wait until our sell signal come in to close our positions. Once we get a purple support and resistance line, we want to start trimming positions and taking profits. Another thing I also look at is over here. So we're in CAD yen, all right? So we want to make sure that it's great if we can get our foundation to be in the same direction, but this is a counter trend trade. So we know that the trend is down for the yen pairs, okay, but currently up and neutral. Okay, it's kind of mixed right now, but we know it's up. Okay, so we want to be going long. And if you look here, CAD is one of the better performing peers in that group. Okay, so that's how we analyze the trades once they're in. If price moves higher and creates another support and resistance line, and that's yellow, and it breaks that line, we will add a fourth position to that trade. Okay, hope this helps.